there, Ariana from Crafting Happiness here. In today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to crochet the arcade stitch. And for this tutorial I have made two samples, one in a single color to show you how this pattern looks like, the texture on the front and on the back, and another one in multiple colors so you can see how the transition of the yarn is made and how it looks like in multiple colors. And today I'm gonna show you how to crochet this beautiful stitch called the arcade stitch. So let's get started. The crochet arcade stitch requires you to have multiples of 5 plus 2 chains in your starting chain. Mine has 32. So let's start with the first row, and we will single crochet into the second chain from the hook. Then make another single crochet into the next chain. And now we will start our repeat section by chaining 3, then skipping 2 chains, and into the next 3 chains we will single crochet. So skip 2 and into the third make a single crochet, single crochet next, and a third one in next. And this is your repeat section right here. Chain 3, skip 2, single crochet in next 3 chains, and then continue this along your chain until you have 4 chains left. When you reach the end and you have 4 chains, chain 3, skip 2 chains, and then single crochet into the last 2 chains. And this is your first row. Now we continue with the second row, and we chain 1 and turn. And we make a single crochet into the first stitch. And from this point on, we start our repeat section, and that is skip 1 chain, and then into the chain 3 space we make 5 double crochet, that's 3, 4, 5. Then we skip another stitch and into the next stitch, which is the middle of the 3 single crochet. So right there we make another single crochet, and this is your repeat section right here. Skip a stitch, 5 double crochet into the chain 3 space, skip another stitch and single crochet into the next stitch, and repeat this until the end of your row. And this is your second row. We're gonna continue with round 3. So we turn and chain 3. This doesn't count as a stitch, it's just a chain. Now we skip 1 stitch and single crochet into the next 3. Make a single crochet in each, and now we start our repeat section, and that starts with a chain 3, skip the next 3 stitches and single crochet into the next 3 stitches, and repeat this section until you have 2 stitches left. So again, chain 3, skip 3, single crochet in next 3 until you have 2 stitches left. When you have 2 stitches left, chain 1, skip 1 stitch, and into the last stitch make a half double crochet. And this is how your third row looks like. On row 4 we turn and make a chain 3, and this actually counts as a double crochet. Now into the chain 1 space we are gonna make 2 more double crochet, then skip 1 stitch and into the next stitch make a single crochet. Now we start our repeat section for this row, and it starts with skipping a stitch, so skipping the last of the 3 single crochet and then making 5 double crochet into the chain 3 space. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then out of these 3 single crochet we skip 1 and into that middle one make another single crochet. And like I said, this is your repeat section. Skip a stitch, 5 double crochet into the chain 3 space, skip a stitch, single crochet in next, and repeat this until you have 1 stitch left and the chain 3 at the beginning. So this stitch plus the chain 3, you stop right there, and I'll show you how to finish row 4. At the end of the row, skip that last chain and then into that chain 3 space make 3 double crochet. That's 1 and 2 and the last one. And this is your 4th row. And as you can see, the arcade stitch is an offset pattern, so each arcade goes in between the bottom ones, and it gives this nice design. Now this is basically the pattern for you, the repeat of these 4 rows, except we started with a chain and with a stitch. This is how it looks like, and from this point on the pattern is a repeat of rows 3, 4, 5 and 6. So these 4 rows, repeat this until you have the desired height to your work. I hope my tutorial was easy to follow. If you have any questions about this pattern, feel free to ask me in the comments below, and I'll be more than happy to help you. Happy crocheting!